Acids and Bases, Part 1. Properties of acids and bases. In this video, you will learn how to distinguish acids and bases by their macroscopic properties. Acids and bases are fairly common substances that you are already aware of and use in your everyday life. Some common everyday acids include things like apple juice, vinegar, rain, lemon juice, and soda. But acids can also go by their chemical names, like the hydrochloric acid in your stomach acid and the sulfuric acid used in car batteries. Some common everyday bases include ammonia, baking soda, soap, lime, and drain cleaner. But also things like calcium carbonate, found in marble and limestone, and sodium hydroxide, found in lye soap. Here are some common macroscopic properties of acids and bases. Acids tend to have a sour taste, like a lemon or vinegar, but bases tend to taste bitter, like when you get shampoo in your mouth when you're showering. An acid-base indicator is a substance that changes color depending on whether it's in an acid or a base. Litmus, bromthiol blue, and phenolphthalein are three of the most commonly used indicators. Litmus paper, for example, will change to red in an acid but will be blue in base. Acids will change bromthiol blue to yellow, but a base will make it blue. Phenolphthalein has no color in an acid, but it changes to magenta or pink in a base. Metals tend to react with acids and form bubbles of hydrogen gas, and carbonates, like sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, will produce bubbles of carbon dioxide gas in an acid. Bases generally do not react with metals or with carbonates, but tend to have a slimy and slippery feel to them, kind of like soap. Here are some formulas for several common acids and bases we study a lot in chemistry. For each of the acids, notice that they put at least one of their hydrogen atoms in the front of the formula. HCl, hydrochloric acid, is the acid found in your stomach. H2SO4, sulfuric acid, is the battery acid used in car batteries. H3PO4, phosphoric acid, is a flavoring agent used in colas. Nitric acid, HNO3, is a major component of acid rain. Acetic acid, HC2H3O2, is the acid that is found in vinegar. Carbonic acid, H2CO3, is a major component of all carbonated beverages like soda. The most common bases are simply ionic compounds with the OH- hydroxide ion as the anion. For example, sodium hydroxide, NaOH, is a base, as is magnesium hydroxide, which requires two hydroxide ions in the formula because magnesium ions have a 2+ charge, but hydroxide ions are only -1. The name of any metal from the periodic table, followed by the word hydroxide, is a base. Ammonia has the formula NH3, and it is also a base. Do not confuse the molecule ammonia, NH3, with the polyatomic ion ammonium, which has the formula NH4+. To recap, in this video you learned how to distinguish acids and bases by their macroscopic properties. Thanks for watching.